Hey friends, welcome to Next Level English. Today, we're putting your grammar to the test with 40 MCQs all about adverbs and adjectives. Think you know the difference? Let's see how sharp your skills really are. 1. Which word is the adverb in the sentence? She sings beautifully. Beautifully. Tips: adverbs describe verbs, answering how, when, where, or to what extent. 2. Find the adverb in. She completed the task quickly. Quickly. Tips: adverbs describe verbs and can also indicate time, place, or manner. 3. Which is the correct adjective in the sentence? The sky is blue. Blue. Tips: adjectives can describe appearance, qualities, or other details of nouns. 4. Find the adverb of manner in. He spoke softly. Softly. Tips: adverbs of manner often end with ly and describe how actions are done. 5. Choose the sentence where never modifies the verb. She danced beautifully. Tips: adverbs like beautifully describe actions. 6. Identify the sentence where well is used as an adjective. She quickly completes tasks. Tips: adverbs often end in ly. 7. Which sentence uses a superlative adjective correctly? This is the tallest building. Tips: superlative adjectives are used for comparisons within a group. 8. Which sentence uses an adverb of frequency? She rarely eats junk food. Tips: adverbs of frequency indicate how often something happens. 9. Which sentence uses extremely as an adverb? He was extremely happy about the results. Tips: intensifiers strengthen the meaning. 10th. Which sentence contains a negative adverb? The train almost left on time. Tips: almost indicates proximity or likelihood. 11. Choose the sentence where now is used correctly as an adverb. He often goes to the library. Tips: often describes frequency of actions. 12. Choose the adjective. The tall boy ran fast. Tall. Tips: adjectives describe nouns like size, color, or quality. 13. Identify the adverb. He always arrives late. Always. Tips: adverbs often show frequency, time, manner. 14. Which modifies the noun? A shiny coin was found. Shiny. Tips, adjectives tell more about nouns. 15th. Pick the adverb, they worked hard to win. Hard. Tips, adverbs answer how, when, where, how much. 16. Identify the adjective, the green apple is sour. Green. Tips, color words are often adjectives. 17. Find the adverb, she quickly opened the door. Quickly. Tips, adverbs can describe the speed of an action. 18. Which sentence uses to as an adverb? She is too tired to continue. Tips, to is an adverb that indicates excessiveness or a negative degree. 19. Identify the sentence where hardly is used as an adverb. She hardly knows anyone at the party. Tips, hardly is an adverb that means barely or almost not. 20. Which of the following is an adjective? Happy. Tips, adjectives describe nouns. 21. Choose the correct adjective, it was a difficult task. Difficult. Tips, adjectives describe nouns, not verbs. 22. Which is the adverb? He spoke clearly. Clearly. Tips, look for ly endings for adverbs of manner. 23. Identify the sentence where never is used as an adverb. She has never been to a concert. Tips, never is an adverb that means at no time or not ever. 24. Which of the following is an adjective? Blue. Tips, adjectives describe nouns. 25. Choose the correct adverb. Carefully. Tips, adverbs modify verbs, adjectives, or other adverbs. 26. What describes a verb? He sings loudly. Loudly. Tips, loudly tells how he sings, so it's an adverb. 27. Select the adjective, a brave soldier saved the day. Brave. Tips, adjectives add detail to nouns. 28. Choose the adverb, they almost won the game. Almost. Tips, almost shows degree, it's an adverb. 29. Which is an adjective? The cake smells delicious. Delicious. Tips: adjectives describe how nouns are. 30. What's the adverb here? John ran very fast. Very. Tips: very modifies an adverb, so it's an adverb too. 31. Identify the adjective. An old man walked by. Old. Tips: adjectives tell us about age or appearance. 32. Which word is the adverb? He rarely eats out. Rarely. Tips: adverbs of frequency show how often. 33. Choose the adjective. The noisy crowd cheered. Noisy. Tips: noisy adds detail to the noun crowd. 34. Find the adverb. They answered correctly. Correctly. Tips: adverbs tell how an action is done. 35. Pick the adjective. A tiny insect crawled slowly. Tiny. Tips: tiny modifies the noun insect. 36. What is the adverb? She danced gracefully. Gracefully. Tips: adverbs can describe dance, movement, speech. 37. Which is an adjective? His red shirt was torn. Red. Tips: red is a color describing the noun shirt. 38. Choose the adverb. We barely made it on time. Barely. Tips: barely shows the degree of success. 39. Identify the adjective. The sharp knife cut easily. Sharp. Tips: adjectives often describe shape or quality. 40. Pick the adverb. She always eats quickly. Always. Tips: multiple adverbs can be in one sentence. How many did you get right? Let us know in the comments, hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe for more fun grammar challenges. Keep learning, keep growing, see you in the next one.